$50. You already have a school bus. You have a real one now. I don't think Dad would like that. Oh, these are expensive now. How come? Oh yeah, on sale one. Let's go the sale one. Oh, you want Barbie? Oh, those the sale one there in the middle. Those are okay. Here, I'll show you. Here you go. Here's the sale. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, look at it. Barbie. I think they have it here. There you. Oh, you have that Barbie tall one already. They're not in sale. I know. Oh, oh, look at this Avatar Lego, Han. 50% off. 30% off. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, there's a Barbie here. Here on sale, Jilana. Oh wow. There. Here you go, Dad. These are on sale. This is the one on sale. Oh, look at that hand razor. Look at that razor, Dad. What is that? That's the one. They're on sale. Oh, why not? Yeah, I like that. Can we buy that one then? Is that the stand? Oh yeah, we need one. Then the other one. No, can yeah, we need that one. Can you buy that now? They're on sale. Scooter blue. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, scooter blue. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, please. Yeah, Jilana, that's another one. That's better. You can. Yeah, big. Now Daddy can play with you because Daddy had that thingy. Oh look. Oh yep. Okay, come on. Let's go to Barbie. Yeah, I like that one. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Okay, go. You already have a bus. I'm taking a picture so I can have Ate Dong buy it. Yeah. Ate Dong can buy it. Oh, that's like. Come here. Let's go here. Yeah, here. Come here, Jilana. Jilana, that's a lot of money. Maybe on Christmas. But it's not. Oh, there's the Lego. Lego. Okay, go get. Or that one. Those toys. Look at that Bella. Those are Bella. Oh, those. Okay, let's go then. On the other side. Oh, you want that then? Yeah, you can if you want that. 20. That's okay.